Picture this. You're at a family dinner. Your mom, she thinks you're doing great. Your best friend? Totally sure you're as cool as a cucumber. But here's the thing. A cold algorithm on your phone knows you're lying. It sees the anxiety, the uncertainty, the fears you're trying to hide. And the scariest part, it's right. Welcome to the new reality, folks.
So today, we're not just comparing humans and machines. Oh no, we're asking a question that is, honestly, a little chilling when you really think about it.
And look, the scientific data is already in. And what it's telling us? Well, it challenges the very idea of what it means to know yourself. So let's dive right in.
Okay, let's start with the case for the machines. And I gotta tell you, it is a powerful one.
It all kind of kicked off with this bombshell study from the University of Michigan. What they found was that AI can predict your personality, get this, more accurately than your own family can.
Just let that sink in for a second. The people who raised you, the ones who've known you since you were in diapers, they are losing to a string of code. I mean, how is that even possible?
Well, let's break it down. We humans have what you might call social intuition. It's kind of our superpower, right? You walk into a room, you can feel the tension in your gut. But an AI doesn't have a gut. It's got no hormones, no nerves, and definitely no childhood trauma shaping its worldview.
And yet, in a recent experiment, it had to predict how people would react in awkward situations. The AI didn't just cope, it absolutely destroyed the competition. It landed in the 100th percentile. Its predictions about human behavior were more accurate than every single human participant in the test.
But wait, hold on. Now for the real emotional knockout, empathy. You know, the ability to share feelings. That's got to be distinctly human, right?
So the Hebrew University of Jerusalem conducted a blind test. They showed people responses to complaints, health issues, personal problems. Some of these responses were written by human doctors and others by a chatbot.
The result? People overwhelmingly preferred the bot. It's this wild paradox. We say we crave human warmth, yet a cold machine mimicked it better than a tired, burnt-out doctor could. You see, AI doesn't get irritated. It doesn't get tired. It always has time for you. It's the perfect, yet completely fake, friend.
Okay, this is starting to sound like the beginning of the rise of the machines, isn't it? But don't panic just yet. I found the catch, and trust me, it's a big one. This is where we run into a strange phenomenon that psychologists call the illusion of understanding.
So an AI aced a test on understanding social norms. But when it was shown a specific scenario, someone reading a book in church, it just glitched. It flagged this as a disruptive behavior. And you have to ask, why? Because it only sees noise in a quiet place. It doesn't get the context of reverence or respect or a moment of peace. It learned all the rules, but it completely missed the point of the game.
And this gets to the absolute core of the issue. AI can even pass tests on what's called theory of mind, the ability to get that other people have their own thoughts and feelings. But researchers figured out it was basically cheating. The AI isn't actually understanding anything. It's just finding statistical shortcuts to get to the right answer. It's like a student who memorized the entire answer key but has no idea what any of it means.
So, and this is the crucial point. If you change the question just a little bit, its entire logic just crumbles into dust. Scientists have a name for this: reasoning collapse. It's a brilliant imitation of intelligence, but it's masking a complete void.
So, have we lost? Is AI just smarter, more attentive, and even kinder than we are? No, not even close. And here is the proof that's going to restore our self-esteem.
So, scientists from Johns Hopkins found the Achilles heel of artificial intelligence, and they did it using these really short video clips from people's lives, just 3 seconds long.
So, what did the AI see? Well, it saw objects. It saw a man. It saw a woman.
It saw a room. All 350 models they tested failed in the exact same way. They just saw static objects.
But real humans? We instantly got it. We understood, oh, these two are flirting, or these two are arguing, or something is about to happen. We read the dynamics, the movement, the story. But the AI, it was completely blind to the story unfolding between the people. And this right here illustrates the difference perfectly. For an AI, the world is a slideshow of photos. For us, it's a movie, with all the drama included. It just lacks the lived experience to grasp the story of the moment.
So what's the verdict here? Who won the battle of human versus AI?
Well, the truth is, there is no winner, because we're not even playing the same game. AI is the undisputed champion of speed and breadth. It can synthesize billions of data points in a flash. But we have depth. We have wisdom. We can do way more than just predict an event. We can understand its meaning. So the future isn't about AI replacing us. It's a partnership. AI can read the map, but we're the ones who choose the destination.
So let's end on this thought. An algorithm might know your habits better than you do. It probably knows what you're going to click on next. But only you know why you wake up in the morning. And you know what? As long as that's true, I think we're going to be just fine.